And what are you doing now? Just summarize what you are doing now.
Я списер. Я списер.
По-английски, или по-нож.
I'm eating now. I'm very hungry. My God.
You are,
I'm with the two twins. Crazy two twins.
yes, and me.
And also him. My God.
You are Sultan?
Yeah, well, the
That is
sultan
his
is
dog.
dog. Yeah, congratulations.
E quer saber?
He is
Kiek
a
ant skaičiausi dag?
Yeah.
Kiek ant skaičiausi dag? Not much?
Yeah, kaya congratulations si dad. Melon.
Melon between.
10 to 15. I don't know. I can't remember. I'm sorry.
Too much, yes? That you can remember. Okay, so just say something to Lithuanian people. Merry Christmas. Just
Yeah, to all Lithuanian people. I'm so pressured. I'm so pressured. See these two twins? They're so crazy. And okay, to all Lithuanian peoples, theirs. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. See you.
See you on Monday.
See you on Monday.
Some Monday.
Okay, stop. No.
Are there?
Hello.